In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy code from a chat in the DeepSeek iPhone app. Let's get started right from your home screen. First, open the DeepSeek app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load so everything on the home screen is fully visible. If you've recently updated the app, the interface may look slightly refreshed, but the process is the same. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with two horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Tap that to open your sidebar, where your recent and pinned chats live. From there, locate and open the chat that contains the code you want. If you have a lot of conversations, take your time and scroll through until you spot the correct thread. When you open it, the full chat history will appear so you can navigate to the exact message you need. Inside the conversation, find the specific message that includes the code block. Code blocks are usually displayed in a distinct style. They appear in a dedicated box with a monospaced font and a subtle background to set them apart from regular text. If the message is long, scroll carefully so you don't miss it. You're looking for that boxed section that clearly shows the code as it was generated or shared. Now focus on the top right corner of that code block. You should see a copy button or icon. Tap that button once. You don't need to long press or select text manually. The built-in copy button is designed to grab the entire code block in one go, preserving spacing, indentation, and formatting exactly as shown. This helps prevent errors that can happen when copying code line by line. After you tap copy, the code is copied to your clipboard immediately. On most iPhones, you might notice a quick confirmation, such as a brief on-screen note or a subtle haptic tap. Your clipboard is simply your device's temporary storage for copied content, which means your code is now ready to be pasted into your editor, Notes app, or development environment whenever you're ready. If you plan to use the code soon, keep in mind that the clipboard stores only the most recently copied item, so avoid copying something else until you've pasted the code where you want it. And that's it. By opening DeepSeek, navigating to the correct chat, locating the code block, and tapping the copy button, you've captured the code precisely as intended and safely stored it in your clipboard for your next step.